Introducing the Cushion 128GB USB 3.0 flash drive, the ultimate solution for your data storage and transfer needs. With its USB 3.0 ultra-high-speed technology. There are many products available to choose us flash drives, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best US flash drives from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SanDisk 256GB Ultra Dual Drive Go USB Type-C Flash Drive. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra Dual Drive Go USB Type-C Flash Drive in sleek black offers seamless connectivity and expansive storage capacity. Featuring a reversible USB Type-C connector alongside a traditional Type-A connector, it effortlessly bridges the gap between different devices. This 2-in-1 flash drive facilitates swift content transfer between USB Type-C smartphones, tablets, Macs, and USB Type-A computers. With the SanDisk Memory Zone app, users can automatically back up their photos, ensuring data security and peace of mind. The drive's high-performance USB 3.2 Gen 1 technology enables lightning-fast read speeds of up to 400 MB per second, optimizing efficiency for transferring large files or streaming multimedia content. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for on-the-go use. Compatible with Mac OS 9, Windows 7, and Windows 10, this reliable flash drive from SanDisk, a trusted brand in storage solutions, offers versatility, speed, and convenience for all your data storage needs. Number 2. HP 256GB X900W USB 3.0 Flash Drive. Introducing the HP 256GB X900W USB 3.0 Flash Drive, a powerhouse of speed and convenience. With USB 3.0 technology, enjoy lightning-fast transfers, boasting speeds up to 10 times faster than USB 2.0, ensuring your data moves swiftly and efficiently. Its lightweight, durable design coupled with a sliding capless mechanism ensures ease of use and longevity, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals and students alike. This flash drive effortlessly stores large documents, high-resolution photos, music, and HD videos, catering to your diverse storage needs. Compatible with both PC and Mac laptops and desktops equipped. Number 3. SanDisk 256GB UltraFlare USB 3.0 Flash Drive. The SanDisk 256GB UltraFlare USB 3.0 Flash Drive, Model SDCZ73-256GB46 in black, delivers exceptional performance and security features. With USB 3.0 interface, it achieves read speeds up to 150 MB per second, ensuring swift data transfers. You can move a full-length movie in under 30 seconds, making it ideal for on-the-go storage needs. Its durable metal casing safeguards your data while offering a sleek appearance. Enjoy peace of mind with built-in password protection, utilizing 128-bit AES encryption, ensuring your private files remain secure. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and Mac OS X v10.9 or later, it provides versatility across various platforms. This flash drive enhances productivity with transfer speeds up to 15 times faster than USB 2.0 drives. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry, fitting seamlessly into your pocket or bag. Whether you're sharing media or safeguarding sensitive information, the SanDisk UltraFlare ensures efficiency and reliability for your digital storage needs. Number 4. 128GB Flash Drive USB Flash Drive. Introducing the 128GB Flash Drive USB Flash Drive, the perfect solution for your data storage and transfer needs. With its massive 128GB capacity, this thumb drive ensures you have ample space for your photos, music, videos, and files, whether you're at work, school, home, or traveling. Its plug-and-play functionality makes it incredibly easy to use, compatible with various operating systems including Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as USB 2.0 and 1.1 ports. Designed with convenience in mind, this USB flash drive is not only portable, but also features a retractable design to protect the USB interface, eliminating the hassle of losing caps. Its lightweight construction, weighing only 7 grams, and compact dimensions of 2.6 x 0.8 x 0.4 inches, make it the perfect travel companion. Backed by AES worry-free 12-month warranty and lifetime friendly, you can trust in the reliability and quality of this USB flash drive for all your data storage and transfer needs. Number 5. Cushion 128GB USB 3.0 Flash Drive. Introducing the Cushion 128GB USB 3.0 Flash Drive, the ultimate solution for your data storage and transfer needs. With its USB 3.0 ultra-high-speed technology, enjoy lightning-fast data transfers with read speeds up to 110 MB per second and write speeds up to 40 MB per second, 8 times faster than USB 2.0 drives. Crafted with grade A chips and top-tier flash memory particles, this rugged memory stick ensures reliable and durable performance, making it ideal for school, business, or everyday use. The retractable design offers convenience and protection, while the integrated lanyard hole allows for easy attachment to your keychain or backpack. With plug-and-play functionality, compatibility with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android systems, and no software setup required, this USB flash drive is ready to use wherever you go. Plus, with a built-in LED indicator, you'll always know the status of your data transfer. Backed by a 24-month warranty and lifetime technology support, trust Crucian to provide a high-standard, rigorously tested USB flash drive that delivers on reliability and performance. Whether you're storing photos, videos, music, documents, or more, the Crucian USB 3.0 flash drive is your dependable storage companion. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more